Start with the class. So up till problem number 3 we had solved in the previous class on page number 4 under combinations. Okay, problems based on combinations. So today we're doing starting the fourth problem. The fourth question says there is a box which contains 5 red marbles, 8 blue marbles, and 10 green marbles. And from there, 4 marbles are drawn out of the box. In total, how many marbles? So that will be 23 marbles. Okay. So this is question number 4. This is on page 4. Okay, so this is what the box contains: 5 red, 8 blue, and 10 green. From there, we are drawing 4 balls and total marbles. So total 23 marbles. From there, we are picking 4 marbles. So first thing, without any condition, we'll find the sample space. So sample space will be what? So out of total 23 marbles, we are picking up 4 marbles. So calculate this value. So this will be 23 factorial upon 23 minus 4. That will be 19 factorial into 4 factorial. 21, 20, and then 19 factorial. Okay, and then you cancel and calculate how much you're getting. So that will be 4 5s are 20, 3 7s are 21, and 2 11s. The answer is 23 into 11, 7 into 5. So that is a sample space. If you want to multiply, write the answer, you can write, or else leave it like that. Later you can calculate. Then this is a sample space. Now let us start with the first condition. The first condition says all the marbles drawn have to be blue. Means what? All 4 blue. All the 4 marbles which are drawn should be blue. How many options you have for blue? 8 options. So n of 8 will be, out of 8 I am drawing 4. Calculate that. 4 and 4 will cancel. 4 to the 8, 3 to the. Okay, so 7 into 2 into 5. So what is will be a P of A? Probability will be just this upon your sample space. So 7 2 into 5 upon 7 and 7 will cancel, and then 2 upon 23 into 11. So that you multiply and write your answer. So that's the first answer. Then the second condition, so just write the sample space here and keep. Second part, we can consider that to be B. Now at least one is green. At least one. Okay, so out of these four, at least one has to be green. So there are two ways actually to solve. So both the methods are teachable. Okay, at least one means what? It could be one blue. Sorry, what is that? One green. Then minimum. It means what? Minimum one or more. One green, or it could be two green, or three green, or four. So what you'll have to do? You have to calculate this long method like this. Suppose if 5 were drawn, then you have to go on doing 5. So it becomes very difficult for a big number to go on increasing. Okay. But in this case, I'll just frame and give. I will not calculate because it gets difficult for 4 calculation. Anyways, we'll see one green means one green. And then what will be the remaining to complete? So if one out of 4, if you are taking one from the green, so remaining 4 will be from red and blue. Or means plus. If you are taking two green from here, then what you'll have to take the remaining two. I have to take out 4 marbles finally. So the remaining 2 will be from red and blue. If I'm taking 3 green, then the remaining 1 will be from red or blue. Or if I'm taking all 4 green, that means over. That will be 0 from the other one. Okay. So how that will be if you want to frame? For green, how many options are there? 10. So from 10, I'm taking out 1 green, and the remaining 3, this will be no. This is 3. Total should be 4. 1 green and 3 should be either from red and blue. So total, how many red and blue are there? 13. This is for red and blue together. So the remaining 3 balls will be out of this. Then plus, I want 2 green now. So how many options I have? 10. So 10 C2, and the remaining 2 will be from this 2. So 13 C2. Or if I'm taking out 3 from here, from the remaining 13, I'll have to take just 1. So total should become 4. Or last one, all the ones from green only. And from here, it will be 13C0. Okay, you are taking 0 marbles from here. Still, it will be same answer. This value will be anyways 1. Even if you don't write this, it's okay. So then you'll have to calculate all this and then divide by your sample space. This. So what is happening? It becomes very difficult for 4 calculations. So this is one method to calculate. Or there's one shortcut formula which is there that I'll give. It works only if they say at least one, not for 2 and all. Or other method, same thing, second one, at least one green. Okay, so this is the formula. Probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of none. None means this will be no green. Since you are picking up 0 green, at least one is 1 minus probability of none. So at least one green will be, so this is the main formula, shortcut formula. Instead of doing 4 calculations, within one calculation you will finish the problem. So they've said at least one green, so that is means no green. No green means all 4 will be, so if you are picking up 4 marbles, they don't, 0 green, so no marble has been picked up from the green, so all 4 will be picked up from red and blue. So that's why probability of at least one green will be 1 minus, what is that, none means, so remaining 13 C 3 4, sorry, and you want to write, then from 10 0 has been picked up. Now since I've written probability, what I'll do, directly divide by the sample space. If you had written n over here, no, n, then you have to do only this calculation. But since you are writing probability, you directly divide by the sample space. 1 is outside, separate. 1 minus only this calculation. This value is anyways 1. 10 C 0 is 1. So 13 factorial (11, 10) and then 9 factorial, then cancel. 2 5s. So what you'll get is, after cancelling, 13 11 into 5 upon 23, 11 7 into 5. So 5 and 5 will cancel, 11 and 11 will cancel, 13 upon 161. That will be on. That, wait, and there's minus 1 there, no? This I did not mention. Put everywhere minus 1, no? And now cross multiply. 161 minus 13 upon 160. And now calculate. So this is your final answer. This is everywhere 1 minus this. So both the ways, whichever method you find easy, you do it. Okay? It works only, that formula works if it is given at least 1. Otherwise, do the first method, long method. Only thing, it will take little time. You have any doubts in this, you can ask. And the fifth one, on page number 5, 4 cards are drawn from the pack of 52 cards. And then the conditions are there. So first sample space will find. So straight away 4 cards are drawn from 52 cards. So 52C, 4 will be a sample space. This is page number 5. This is 52 factorial upon 48. 52 minus 4. So 52, 51, 50, 49, 48. 48, 48 will cancel. Then 3. Then 3 1 are 3, 7. This will be 25. The answer is 13 into 17, 25 into 49. So keep it like this one. So that's your sample space. Now we'll move on to the conditions. So first condition says all 4 of the same suit. So I told you there are 4 suits. One is of the diamond, club, okay, and start with diamond, hearts, club, and spade. So here there are 13 cards. So this is one suit. Same way, this one is one suit. So these are all the different suits. Now, of the same suit. So which suit they have not told. So it could be diamond, it could be hearts, or it could be clubs, or it could be spade. A could be, which is from diamond or hearts or club or spade. N of A will be, if you don't want to waste time, straight away also you can divide, you can write this as P of A, okay, and then divide by the sample space. See, like this, or we can do before. So diamond means how many options you have? 13. How many cards are to be drawn? All 4 have to be from the same suit. So 13 C4, or means always plus, or all 4 could be from the hearts, or all 4 could be from the club. How much this will turn out to be? 4 times. Same thing, it is 4 times 13 C4, and then calculate. 9. So your probability is this answer upon your sample space, 13 into 2. This was how much? 13, 17, 25, and something was there. What was over here? Sample space. Can anyone tell me? What was the sample space? 13, 17, 25. And one more number was there, no? Just tell me the answer. What was the sample space? 13, 17, 25, and what? Just before this, what we had written. Someone at least please tell first. There's one number you can tell, no? Quick. Velika, you there? Velika, Dane, what was there? Over here. Someone at least just unmute once and tell me the answer. Viral is also there. What you had written the sample space says. Always calculate this and tell me quickly what you get. 52C4 fast. I'm not going to calculate.